Short English sentences and English speaking practice. हम फिल्म देखने जा रहे हैं. We are going to watch a movie. We are going to watch a movie. क्या तुमने कभी अपने मुस्तकबिल के बारे में सोचा है? Have you ever thought about your future? Have you ever thought about your future? वो हमेशा अपनी बात मनवाने की कोशिश करता है. He always tries to impose his opinion. He always tries to impose his opinion. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं इनकार कर देता. If I were in your place, I would have refused. If I were in your place, I would have refused. मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम खुद मुख्तार बनो. I want you to become independent. I want you to become independent. इसे अपनी गलती का एहसास हो चुका है. He has realized his mistake. He has realized his mistake. ये फैसला करना आसान नहीं था. It was not easy to make this decision. It was not easy to make this decision. वो ऐसा जाहिर करता है जैसे उसे सब कुछ मालूम हो. He acts as if he knows everything. He acts as if he knows everything. वो चाहता है कि मैं हर वक्त उसकी मदद करूं. He wants me to help him all the time. He wants me to help him all the time. तुमने जो किया वो बिल्कुल नामुनासिब था. What you did was completely inappropriate. What you did was completely inappropriate. अगर वो वक्त पर आता तो हमें देर ना होती. If he had come on time, we would not have been late. If we had come on time, we would not have been late. मुझे यकीन नहीं था कि वो वादा निभाएगा. I was not sure he would keep his promise. I was not sure he would keep his promise. जैसे ही बारिश रुकी हम बाहर निकल गए. As soon as the rain stopped, we went outside. As soon as the rain stopped, we went outside. मैंने जो कहा वो तुमने गौर से नहीं सुना. You did not listen carefully to what I said. You did not listen carefully to what I said. तुम्हें अपनी गलतियों से सबक सीखना चाहिए. You should learn from your mistakes. You should learn from your mistakes. क्या तुमने कभी ऐसा मंजर पहले देखा है? Have you ever seen such a view before? Have you ever seen such a view before? वो हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करने के लिए तैयार रहता है. He is always ready to help others. He is always ready to help others. हमें दूसरों के जज्बात का एहतराम करना चाहिए. We should respect others' feelings. We should respect others' feelings. मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता था कि वो ऐसा करेगा। I could not even imagine he would do that. I could not even imagine he would do that. जब तक तुम सच नहीं बोलोगे मसला हल नहीं होगा। Until you speak the truth, the problem would not be solved. Until you speak the truth, the problem would not be solved. हम सबको अपने मुल्क की तरक्की में किरदार अदा करना चाहिए। We all should play our part in the development of our country. We all should play our part in the development of country. जो कुछ हुआ उसके लिए मैं माजरत ख्वाह हूँ। I apologize for whatever happened. I apologize for whatever happened. ये काम बहुत तवज्जो और सब्र का तकाजा करता है। This task requires a lot of focus and patience. This task requires a lot of focus and patience. तुम्हारा रवैया दूसरों पर असरअंदाज होता है। Your attitude affects others. Your attitude affects others. अगर मुझे मौका मिला तो मैं लाजमी जाऊंगा। If I get the chance, I will definitely go. If I get the chance, I will definitely go. वो शख्स तुम पर एतबार नहीं करता। That person does not trust you. That person does not trust you. हमें अपनी जिंदगी का मकसद मालूम होना चाहिए। We should know the purpose of our life. We should know the purpose of our life. अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो कामयाब हो जाओगे। If you work hard, you will succeed. If you work hard, you will succeed. मुझे समझ नहीं आती कि लोग क्यों झूठ बोलते हैं। I do not understand why people lie. I did not understand why people lie. तुम्हें हर हाल में सच बोलना चाहिए। You must speak the truth no matter what. You must speak the truth no matter what. उम्मीद है कि वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए ताकि सबसे पहले वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके। हमारी वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए ताकि हमारी वीडियो से उनका भी फ़ायदा हो और आपका भी फ़ायदा हो। इस चैनल पे आपको डेली यूज़ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस, शॉर्ट इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस, शॉर्ट इंग्लिश वर्ड्स, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस के पार्ट्स और बहुत कुछ भी सीखने को मिलेगा। वीडियो देखने के लिए आप सब लोगों का बहुत दिल से शुक्रिया।